Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna do another pouring, that's for sure, but we're not gonna do a flip cup. We're gonna do something more fluid. We're gonna do, like I said, flip work, not a flip cup, excuse me, just the hang of it. We're gonna do some sort of dipping. We're gonna dip some clean wrap on our paint. We're gonna use half and half, meaning half acrylic and half Floetrol. Then we're gonna put some water, but just a little bit, and a bit of silicone, because now I want to have some cells, so that's the best way to go at it, is to use silicone. So we'll see what happens. The best way is, like always, to go at it. So just come back for the end, for the word of the end. So let's try it and see what happens. Okay guys, so let's say that I think the result is very interesting. I think it's a good way to go at it. I think just the thing though, when you want to do a dipping, better use your acrylic not too much diluted, much more thick, so it's going to have more effect with the saran wrap. So I think it's a nice way to go at it though, and the cells are forming as we speak because I just finished it. So of course it's changing. I think it's nice, the nice line that define the words and the cells. So I think it's very interesting. I think it's going to change as it dry up, of course, like always, but I think this time the fact that we put more blue in it just to have some shade with the other colors, I think it's a great result. So guys, like always, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're going to try it because it's not that hard to do. I think it's the easiest way to go to paint is the way to go with pouring, acrylic pouring. I think is the easiest way, and I think it's something that it's almost impossible to recreate with a brush. So I think it's nice. I think it's a nice way to go at it. I hope you enjoy, and like I said, I hope you're gonna try it. And like always guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video.